Welcome to the biology class. In this video, we are going to see the general characters of subphylum Vertebrata, and we learn the outline classification of the subphylum Vertebrata. Vertebrates are animals with backbone. They are the higher chordates. There are reasons. In Urochordata and Cephalochordata, the notochord is permanent. The notochord is not replaced by vertebral column in Urochordata and Cephalochordata. But in subphylum Vertebrata, the notochord is found only in the embryonic stage. In adult, the notochord is replaced by a bony backbone called as vertebral column. It is made up of cartilage or bone. In some vertebrates, the vertebral column is made up of cartilage. In some other vertebrates, it is made up of bone. Notochord is replaced by vertebral column in the adult stage. So vertebrates are higher chordates. There are some other reasons are there. Why are they called as higher chordates? Let us continue. All the vertebrates are chordates, but all the chordates are not vertebrates. Chordates have notochord or vertebral column, but in vertebrates, the notochord is transformed into a bony structure or cartilaginous vertebral column. Vertebrates possess paired appendages such as fins or limbs. They have pair of fins or pair of limbs. Fishes have pair of fins, and other vertebrates have pair of limbs. Vertebrates have either pair of limbs or pair of fins. In flying vertebrates, birds, the four limbs are modified into wings. Because of these advanced characters, the vertebrates are considered as higher chordates. The skin of vertebrates are covered by a protective skeleton. In reptiles and fishes, the skin is covered by the scales as protective skeleton. In vertebrates like birds, the skin is covered by feathers and hairs in mammals. The skin also has protective structures like claws, nail. They have aerobic respiration. They breathe air with oxygen. Different kinds of respiratory organs are there in different vertebrates. Gills are the respiratory organs in fishes and the young ones of frog. Frogs respire with the help of moist skin. Frogs also respire by using the mouth cavity and pharyngeal cavity. Lungs are the respiratory organs of amphibians, reptiles, aves, and mammals. They have heart made up of cardiac muscle, and the heart is ventral in position. In fishes, the heart is two-chambered. In amphibians and reptiles, it is three-chambered. In aves and mammals, it is four-chambered. Excretion and osmoregulation. Removal of waste material is called as excretion. Maintaining water balance is called as osmoregulation. Excretion and osmoregulation is done by kidneys. The phylum Vertebrata has two divisions. Subphylum Vertebrata has two divisions. They are Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Subphylum Vertebrata has two divisions. They are Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha are jawless vertebrates. Nactostomata are vertebrates with jaw. In Agnatha, the notochord is permanent in the adult also. In Gnathostomata, the notochord is replaced by a vertebral column. Agnatha has only one class. The name of the class is Cyclostomata. Members have circular mouth without jaws. Gnathostomata has two superclasses. The division Gnathostomata has two superclasses. They are Pisces and Tetrapoda. The superclass Pisces, the members have fins. Fins are the locomotor organs. All are aquatic members. Either in freshwater or marine they live. Tetrapods have limbs. They do not have fins. The superclass Pisces is again classified into two classes. They are Chondrichthyes and Ostrichthyes. Chondrichthyes has cartilaginous fishes. Ostrichthyes, the class includes bony fishes. All are aquatic. They move with the help of fins. Gills are their respiratory organs. The superclass Tetrapoda has four classes. They are Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Amphibians are capable of living on land and in water. Reptiles are crawling animals like lizard, turtle, snake, crocodile, etc. Aves are flying vertebrates. They are the birds. Mammals are the animals which give birth to young ones. In the forthcoming videos, we will learn about the class Cyclostomata, Chondrichthyes, Ostrichthyes, classes Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia.